Okay, another statistic in Python, okay, that is a standard deviation. Okay, the standard deviation is a measure of how spread out numbers are. So the formula is the square root of the variance. Okay, so in our previous example, the value for standard deviation, okay, we have the number is 2554. All right, and then you square root the numbers, the values, so you will get the answer is 50. Okay, so through this example, okay, we can see, okay, which heights are within one of the standard deviation, that is a 50 feet of the mean. Okay, so you will get the mean, alright, and then this is the standard deviation, okay, is a 50 feet from the mean. Okay, alright, and then how we want to calculate, okay, the variance and the standard deviation. Okay, so example here, okay, a hen lays 8 eggs. Okay, each egg was weighed and recorded as follows. So we have this data. Okay, so first you need to calculate the mean. Okay, so we want to calculate the mean. How we want to calculate the mean? You need to total up, okay, all the data, all right, and then divide by 8, because we have 8 data sets here, 8 numbers here, sorry. All right, and then we get the numbers is a 59. So when we go to the next slide, okay, how we want to find the variance, okay, all right, is the weight, all right, and then minus with the mean. So we have 59, all right, so 60 minus 59, so we get the number is 1. 1 we square root, okay, we will get the another value. Okay, so from here you will get the answer is 320 divided by 8 theta, all right, and then you will get the answer is 40. Okay, so how we want to find the standard deviation, all right, is you square root from the 40, so you will get the standard deviation, okay, is high here, okay, because there are 3 outliers here, is a 51 gram, 68 grams, and 69 grams. Okay, so do you know that the standard deviation is only used to measure the spread or the dispersions around the mean of the data set? Okay, so if the number are further from the mean, there is a higher deviation. If the numbers are closer to the means, there is a lower deviation. So the smallest possible value for the standard deviation is 0. Okay, so standard deviation is very sensitive to the outliers. Okay, so a single outlier can raise a standard deviations. If all values of the data set are the same, the standard deviation will be 0, because each value is equal to the mean. Okay, so let's look at the scenario here, okay, to see why the standard deviation is very important. Okay, example here, ABC company is manufacturing car spare parts. Okay, in order to ensure all the spare parts are of good quality, there will be a quality check. Okay, so the requirement is the particular spare parts has to be, example, 2 centimeters in diameter to fit it properly. So therefore, there are quality controller will check all the parts to make sure that the diameter is within 2 centimeters. Okay, so if there are many parts having a lesser or bigger diameter, that will to a big standard deviation. So in this case, a big standard deviation would mean that lots of parts end up in the trash because they didn't fit it right. Okay, so that is an example why we need to have the standard deviation.